I've always heard pick the right tool for the job. This time, this fridge ain't it. I'm heading to Florida to meet my new service dog, and I have to keep my insulin cold. So I picked up the Antarctic Star 10-liter mini fridge. It's compact, vertical, and honestly it looks like something you'd throw in a dorm room. On the inside, you've got 2 removable shelves, 2 door bins, and the power cables in a Ziploc bag. Nothing fancy, all straightforward. The back panel has your 2 cooling fans, AC and DC ports, and the on and off toggle switch. Since I'll be in the PMT, I op-tested the unit on the WattFun 300 watt power station. Baseline temp was 67 degrees Fahrenheit, and after an hour it was at 31 degrees, which tracks with what they advertise. My control was 6 cans, 3 on the left at room temperature and the 3 on the right pre-chilled. Beginning averages for the room temperature was 69.5 degrees Fahrenheit and 55.3 degrees Fahrenheit for the pre-chilled cans. Final averages after 2 hours was 43.5 degrees Fahrenheit for the room temperature and 38.8 for the pre-chilled. There's a couple of different ways to configure it for storage, which gives you options. And the factor driving this mission, a perfect compartment for my insulin. The unit has a constant draw of about 49 watt hours, which means the WattFun will give me around 6 hours of usage, so the Jackery will be the backup. I won't bore you with reading the specs, but I will recommend pre-cooling the unit for at least 2 hours and using pre-chilled items before your trip. Based on space alone, it feels like the right decision, but the trip will be the true test.